look like that. This is one table. This is entire the table, suppose. So in this table, suppose you have a 1 lakh rows, we have it here. Okay, now? So we have here 1 lakh rows. So out of this 1 lakh rows, if I want to need my necessary rows, my required rows, if I want to take from this table, what I want to do, I want to search from the top to, that means the complete table I need to search top to bottom. So that the entire the area we need to search from top to bottom. So that means almost 1 lakh rows we are going to be searching. Now tell me guys here, in that cases, your time saving or consume time, your time is saved or time is consuming? Come on guys. Yes, the time is going to be consumed here. Yes or no? Time consumed, because we need to search entire the table, and in entire the table, how many rows are there? 1 lakh rows are there. How many rows are there? 1 lakh rows are there. So out of 1 lakh rows, you need your required rows from that particular table. Then what it was happening guys here, okay, we need to search okay, entire your table. So it was a lot of time consuming process, and also performance wise also your database performance will be degraded here, because for every request purpose you need to search entire the table, means automatically not only time consuming, even though performance wise also very slow performance will give us. Yes or no? So that is what the problem of big data tables. Okay, when your data is a very big data, so when you store a big data table or a big data in a table, so big data table data accessing is very, very difficult to the programmers. So that's why what they will do, the big data tables, they will be splitting into some partitions. Okay, for example, let you see the same requirement. This is your table. So what they did here, this table, entire table, they was divided into some partitions here. So partition P1, for example, and this is my partition P2, and this is my partition P3, and this is my partition P4. This is my partition P4. So what I'm doing here, the 1 to 50 rows I'm saving under partition 1. In the partition 2, 51 to, okay, so 150 I'm saving into partition P2. And here 151 to, suppose 300 I'm saving into partition P3. And in the fourth partition 3012, okay, the 500 I'm saving under partition P4. So like if I divided my data into partitions now, suppose I need okay, suppose I need 1 to 50. If I need 1 to 50, okay, in this the data, if I need, then tell me which partition I need to check. Come on guys, are you checking which partition now? Yes, are you checking what now? P1 partition only checking. Okay na? So what? Okay, P1 partition only checking. So that means you are required P1 and P2 and P3, P4. These are the 4 partitions I have to divide here. And 1 to 50 means what happened? Suppose I need 1 to 50 means, okay, in that 1 to 50 range of data, 1 to 50 range of values, if I want it, then I can directly go to P1, but I'm not going to P2, I'm not searching P3, I'm not searching P4. That means only I am searching this particular part only I'm searching, guys. This particular part only I'm searching. but I'm not searching P2 part. I'm not searching P3. I'm not searching P4. Then only I'm searching this part. Now tell me, time is saving or time is consuming? What do you say? Yes. So we can say it's a time saving here, saving method, because instead of searching entire the table, I'm searching only a particular partition of table. So here my required data was having under P1, then your Oracle server, as per your request, Oracle server will go to P1 only. But P2, P3, P4 is not going to be searched. It was going to directly P1 and taking your necessary data in the P1, whatever it was there, it was taking and sending to user. That's it. Suppose you need a P3 data, then it will directly go to P3. It doesn't go to P1, P2, P4. So your user required data is having in the which partition. Okay, that how the Oracle knows that? Based on user request. So user sending the request to Oracle, I wanted this partition data. Then the request I'm sending to Oracle, then Oracle will go to that particular partition. So in that partition, your required data is there or not there, check and immediately pick and sending to client application. So in that cases, what is happening here? The searching time will be reduces and improving your performance also. The response also very quickly, response is coming from Oracle server. So that is what, guys, here simply we can say advantage of partition table. Okay, na? So when your table is having a big data, so instead of searching that entire the table, that big data tables should be divided into smaller units, and every small unit is called as a one partition. So okay, so you have to do like this, and your necessary data to take from the particular partition. So that means what is the advantage here? Searching time is reduces. Okay, performance is also good performance, and giving quick responses here. So these are the advantages of your partition tables. Okay, but these partitions in our Oracle, guys, here there are three types of partitions are supported. One is we called as a range partition. Second one is called as a list partition, and third one is called as what now? Okay, hash partition. Okay, so range, list, hash. So these are the three partitions, guys. Okay, so what is a range partition and how to create a range partition on this method? And the next method is list partitions and hash partitions. Okay, now, so how to design these partitions on my table? Okay, so that session I will continue, guys, in tomorrow's session. Okay, tomorrow I will continue this part here. So how to designing your range partitions and list. Okay, right. About these three partitions, how to practically do it on your database tables. Okay, how to do it practically. Okay, we will discuss. And okay, and one more thing is here, what this week Saturday I will take completely doubt session. So don't worry about it, your doubts. So as usual, so this Saturday I will take again online, all people. Now you all are coming to online now. So all people purpose. Monday to Friday will take classes, and Saturday completely we discuss on your doubt session. Okay, so on the day I will interact with you. Okay, no? So don't worry about that. And whatever the previous topic notes, whatever the material was there, so that material my people will be uploaded to you today in Google Classroom. Okay, now, right, guys. So I stop it here and we'll